In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from using up local disk space. Store on OneDrive only. 5 minutes. If OneDrive is filling your hard drive, the fix is to switch your files to online only and clear any local copies you don't need. We'll do that by adjusting OneDrive's sync settings and then freeing up space in File Explorer. Nothing gets deleted from the cloud. Your files remain safely in OneDrive and show up on your PC, but they won't take up space unless you open them. Start by finding the OneDrive cloud icon on your Windows taskbar. It's usually in the lower right corner. If you don't see it, click the arrow to show hidden icons. Open OneDrive from there, then click the small gear icon labeled Help and Settings. Choose Settings to open the OneDrive Preferences window. In the Settings window, go to the Account tab. Here, select Choose Folders. This controls what's kept on your device. Uncheck All Files and click OK. This tells OneDrive not to keep everything downloaded locally. Your folders will still appear in File Explorer, but they'll be set to online only unless you specifically download them later. Next, open File Explorer and go to your OneDrive folder. Select the files and folders you want to move off your local disk. You can select a whole folder, or everything depending on your needs. Right-click your selection and choose Free Up Space. This command removes the local copies while keeping the originals in the cloud. It's a safe way to reclaim disk space without losing anything. After a moment, you'll see the status icons change. A blue cloud icon means the item is online only, so it's not taking up space. If you see a green check mark, that file is stored locally. You can always bring a file back by opening it. OneDrive will download it on demand. If there are items you always need offline, like a key presentation or a work folder, you can right-click and choose Always Keep on this device. Otherwise, use Free Up Space to keep things lean. A few quick tips. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection when working with online-only files, since you'll need to be connected to open them. Large folders may take a bit of time to process. And remember, you're not deleting anything from OneDrive, just removing the local copies. That's it. By adjusting your sync choices and freeing up space in File Explorer, you've stopped OneDrive from using unnecessary local storage while keeping all your files accessible when you need them.